To back up your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is fairly easy. All you need to do is simply open up the Galaxy Wearable app, and you also need to ensure that you have the Samsung Smart Switch app installed on your phone. Now, if you are using a Samsung device, then this app already comes installed on your phone. But if you're using something else, such as a Techno, an Infinix, OnePlus, Oppo, whatever device you're using, or even an iPhone, you do need to ensure that you have Smart Switch installed. Now, once you have at least that app installed, what you're going to do is simply in the Samsung Wearable app, navigate to settings. And then under settings, you're going to select accounts in the backup. And then you're going to select open smart switch. From here, you should give smart switch access to necessary permissions. So go ahead and allow. And then go ahead and select backup data and backup now. Now, after a few moments, the data backup should start, and you just need to wait patiently as your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 gets backed up. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.